Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you guys so much for watching. In today's video, I will be giving you guys a bathroom side decorative table where I will be using most of Dollar Tree items and some items from Hobby Lobby to create this gorgeous glam side table. If you all would like to see how I create it using affordable items, why don't you continue to watch? Hey, Queens and Kings. Alright, Queens and Kings, so here's all the materials that I will be using. Mostly everything came from the Dollar Tree, which I have here 4 toilet plungers, yes, correct, 2 round 12.9 round mirrors from the Hobby Lobby. I have some towel blocks here, as well as Gorilla adhesive glue, hot glue as well, and my glue gun. I do have these little white tires, can't think of the name at this moment, but I'm not going to use those, and I'm going to use more towels blocks. So anywho, we're moving on where I have tucked the little round part off, the little plunger part off of the plunger of the handle, and now here I'm just lining up my plungers. Basically I'm lining them up so therefore I can make everything even, so nothing don't be wobbling or off. So basically I'm putting down some Gorilla adhesive down first, and then I'm going to put some hot glue, and I'm going to actually secure 2 of the blocks to the base of the board as well as the top of the board. Okay, so now that I have basically glued those down there on there good and secure, here basically I'm showing you all where I have the 2 blocks on each end, and now I'm going to take them outside and spray paint it white just for to give me like a base, and the silver to be the coat of it. Okay, so this is where a little bit of changes have happened at. As you guys can see, I placed some of the little builder blocks down in the middle, and that's just because I realized that this wasn't going to be stable. Like, I didn't think this all the way through, so I actually have 29 blocks going each way, so therefore this could give me the support that I need of the between the force to hold up the mirrors that I will place on here. And I also use the popsicle sticks just to make sure that the blocks are actually secured and that they doesn't move. That's for extra support, because I'm gonna have some items placed on this little bathroom stand here. So and right now you may not can see the vision, but I seen the vision, but I just didn't think this part out or think it's far out, so therefore that's why you guys didn't see that. It came about when I started to build it, and as you guys can see, it is sturdy. So therefore I'm going to move on to the next phase of doing this stand. Okay, Queens and Kings, so here I am using some Totally Dazzle bling wrap, which I actually went on ahead and did part of the bottom where I cut it down to size and glued it on. Here I'm about to show you guys exactly what I'm going to do, which I'm using my hot glue gun, placing a nice amount of glue down, and I'm going to cut the bling wrap down to size like I said, and we're just going to cover up this little ugliness of this base of our stand. Okay, so once that we finish with the stand, we're actually going to do the sides from the inside, basically where the mirrors will sit at. I'm trying to cover up most of the wood or the blocks so it doesn't look like blocks as much, because as you guys can see, the spray paint on the wooden legs is a metallic spray paint though, but it did not come out as like a mirror or a smooth finish. So I'm trying to make it as jazzy, as beautiful as possible, because our little stand here is gonna be the bomb, honey. And I also did the bottom here where the legs set to the feet, or whatever you want to call it, just to cover up from the part where the little rubber part of the plunger goes on to, so therefore it don't look so much like a plunger. But anywho, we're just gonna move on. Now for the last step here, what I'm going to do is use these gorgeous Totally Dazzle bling as well. These are some rhinestone flatbacks, and I am affiliated with them, so therefore just check the link down below in the description box, so therefore you guys can get a discount on it. And what I mean by when I'm affiliated, if you purchase anything, I get a small percentage. Not big, small percentage, like I said. But I love Totally Dazzle because they have so much beautiful and affordable glam. And you guys know I am a glam queen. So, anywho, I'm just basically going to place those on top of the handle of the plunger, or the wood, or the stands, or our legs, whatever you want to call them. And we're just going to bling those out. You know, bring it up a little bit. You know, make it a little more beautiful than what it is. Okay, queens and kings, so here it is where I have it all styled in my bathroom with some of my little trinkets that I actually did a DIY on as well. But I have to say, I love the way that this little stand turned out. It's sturdy, and I'm glad that I actually decided to do it. It's been an ideal in my mind for a minute to do for my bathroom, because I always thought it was cute to have a little stand on the side of your tub when you're in there just relaxing, you know, just having your moment in time to yourself. You're able to put your beverage down if you're drinking some wine like I would do, or you know, instead of just reading a book, you have somewhere to put your stuff, or your cell phone if you're one of those type of people. So, but queens and kings, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little affordable DIY, because I'm quite sure you guys have some of these little mirror candle holders, but I think they're considered to be chargers as well in your home. Or you can also run to Hobby Lobby, find some, or pick up some from Amazon and get a couple plungers, and also use the discount code down below for Totally Dazzle, so therefore you can get some bling. So once again, I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, queens and kings. We have made it to 30,000 plus, queens and kings. Oh my goodness, I am over the top, just beyond happy, excited. Can't thank you guys enough. I appreciate you all. I love you guys. I cannot say it enough. So once again, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. Please continue to share the videos and comment and like, you know, do your part. With that being said, queens and kings, you guys have a blessed Tuesday, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.